If you are a subscriber, I want to appreciate you for the good work you've done for me. You guys have been amazing from day one. I can't believe that I am in 20K now. Hello guys, welcome back again. So guys, I want to use this medium to thank you all my returning subscribers. Oh, if you are a subscriber, I want to appreciate you for the good work you've done for me. You guys have been amazing from day one. I can't believe that I am in 20K now. I couldn't have done this without you guys. So I'm taking this time to thank you all. You guys are great. See, you are part of this journey. You should know that. Yeah, keep that in your mind that you are part of this journey. Let's keep pushing, pushing and pushing. Now we are heading to 20,000, no, I mean 30,000 subscribers. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep loving, and the Lord Almighty will continue to bless you. So the number one people I want to thank on this channel are the Ghanaians. And the number two are the African Americans with others. Yeah, others will come after these two people. You guys are the ones that made this channel what it is today. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate from my heart. Seriously. Ghanaians, you guys have supported me in different ways. Like, duh. If I start coming out here and mentioning what you guys have done in my life, I mean individually, you guys, it's just that I cannot come out and be mentioning the stuff you guys got for me just to push me to the top. 20K is a lot of people, like a lot of numbers. But what I need from you right now is the views. Please share my videos, guys. If you want to see me get into 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100K subscribers, then when you watch, don't keep it to yourself. No, don't be stingy. Share the video. Share the video. Share it now. Don't be stingy. Thank you so much, guys. I have my reason filming this way. A lot of you have been saying that you don't know how I look. I think more than 10 people spoke to me about this same thing. So that's the reason why I kept my camera this way. So you will see the person talking. No, it's not just my face that is there. I mean, that is here today. Again, that is in front of you. So this is me. And guys, I remember when I started this YouTube channel. Yeah, I just want to carry you along from when I started. Yeah, so let's go. We have to move down now. We have to go down, 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 down. Oh, we've come a long way. Why is this network like this? Accra network. Why are you doing me this? Why are you like this? I want us to go to my first video. I mean, my first reaction video. Oh my God, when will I reach down? I'm in 3 months, 4 months ago. Oh my God, when will I reach 1 year? This journey. It has been an amazing journey. I want to use this medium to appreciate you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. It is very important for me to show you how far we have gone. Yes, so it's very important for me to remind you. Yes, so this is just like a reminder of how it all started. So, okay, I'm getting there. You see, the network is kind of bad, so I'm trying to... This is 10 months ago. We're still going. 11 months ago. Okay. Still going. Okay, guys. It has been a challenging years. I mean, yeah. So actually, I started this video with vlog, all right? But the main reaction, I think I started it not up to a year. So I'm taking you through my journey. Yes, our journey, because I didn't do this alone. So guys, I hope you all are ready for this. So my first video was when I went to Chalowate. As you can see, Africans are talented and have a beautiful culture. So that's what is there. Then the second video, as you can see, 2 years ago, I spoke about African Americans trying fufu for the first time, Then this one is Afrochella. The third video is Afrochella. Then you come up. Oh, it has been an amazing journey, guys. Oh my God. All right, we are still going. Okay, so this was when I started reaction. I think it's from here. No, all these ones are not reaction. Okay, so this was when... No, this one is not reaction. Oh my God, I'm not even up to 1 year doing reaction. Okay, so my first reaction video was a year ago. This was it. I have to click on it. All right, so this was my first reaction video. I don't know why the network is doing lebe, 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 but we have to wait. Oh, why am I even watching it? Don't watch. I just want you guys to, yeah, it's just like a reminder, because of course it's very important for you to see. My network is kind of bad. Good. All right, so this is my first video. Oh, okay, this is why foreigners love Ghana. Nigerian police should learn from the Ghanaian police. I think I have to look for a video that suits this title. Yeah, I have to bring it back. 10K with some mele mele on top. 1 year ago. So let's go back. Let's go back. As you can see, so all these ones are reaction. I'm not even up to. Oh my God, I thought I was 1 year and. But I didn't know I'm not even after. I'm just 1 year. Well, it's still 1 year and. Oh. So guys, look at the journey. Look at. I have a lot of videos. So that's to let you know that I started this YouTube 1 year ago. Like reaction channel 1 year ago. I bet you guys can see the journey. Oh, I didn't do this myself. Oh. You guys made this happen. You made this happen. I appreciate you all. Oh, you don't know how happy I am, guys. I don't know. I don't just want to make this video very long. That's why I'm taking it. I'm fast on it. But look at, oh my God. Some videos got limited views, but still, you know, we have to keep pushing, pushing, and pushing. It'll be every day with Christmas. So this is our journey. Of course, it's our journey. Okay, I think the Igbo King matter started 4 years ago. That is it. Let's go back to my highest view. Yes, I have to show you guys. Let me go home. Okay, let's see the most popular video. Oh, okay, so the most popular video on my channel is of this Nigerian man that came to Ghana trying to do booga, and Ghana National Security arrested him. So that's the most popular video I had, and it was 8 months ago. So you see, the second one is about African Americans. I told you guys, Ghana and African Americans. Now you, they stand for me. Oh, look at, look at, look at. You guys are amazing. I just said, let me take you through my page, so you guys will see. You guys will see how far we've gone. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm literally crying right now. I appreciate you. I appreciate each and every one of you. I won't lie. I appreciate you. Thank you. I think I have to end this now. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I wish I can thank you enough. Yeah, I wish I can thank you guys enough. Thank you. That's just what I have to say. I appreciate. So guys, I think I've come to the end of this video. I love you. I sincerely love you. Guys, in celebration of 20K subscribers, I want to do free advert. Okay, so if you are in Ghana and you own a business, any kind of business, and you want someone to advertise it for you, on my TikTok account I have 4 to 1,000 subscribers. Why am I saying subscribers? 4 to 1,000 followers. So on here, you guys already know, 20,000 and counting. I mean, I think it's even 20,010, something like that. I think so. You guys don't know how I feel. Like, I need to pop champagne. Who's gonna join me? I have to go and pop champagne, and I'll carry you guys along. Let's go celebrate this precious 20K subscribers. You are part of it. You made it happen. If not, you not understand. You don't understand the happiness, the joy. Hey, you guys not understand the joy, the happiness. I'm super happy. I'm happy, and I'm here with a heart of gratitude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I wish I can kneel down. I would have kneeled. I would have kneeled. Even though it's to lie down, I would have lied down. You guys don't know what you've done. You don't know. For you to be part of this journey, I appreciate. Hey, look at me. Come on me. I'm less than 2 years doing Ghana Niger content. I've been doing other things like travel vlogs, and I'm going to resume back to my traveling vlog. I'm going to resume back for sure. I'm going to resume back. You know now. You know the reason why I'm not doing it, because money. You need money to travel, and sometimes when you travel, you make videos, you come back, there will be no views, so you will not get enough money to travel to another place. So that's what is making me slack. But I've heard your request. I will start my travel vlog. Yes, I think that's what I'm best at, because this reaction, whenever I'm doing it, I put my mind and everything. Like I'm being real, and some people are bashing me because of being real. You guys take it easy on me now. Take it easy on me, I beg una. I beg una. Hey, take it easy on me. Hey, I'm celebrating 30 December with 20K subscribers. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go pop the champagne. But that will be maybe weekend. I will make sure I pop the champagne. So if you are in Ghana, and you want to join me pop the champagne, then you are invited, okay? But it's just that champagne I will pop. Any other thing, you're on your own. When I pop the champagne, we will drink the champagne, and after everything, you're on your own. I'm on my own. All right, just like I was saying earlier, see, by January, the room will be open for you guys to come in with your advert, okay? In celebration of my 20K subscribers, I want to do free advert, okay? So if you have a store, no, you don't have to give me anything. I'll do it for free, free. It's going to start from January 1st and end on January, is it 31st? Yeah, January 31st. That's just the little way I want to use to appreciate you all. Okay, and make sure you're a Ghanaian or an African American. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you're in Nigeria, you are here. You can also, you guys always bash me. Now that's why I'm not involving you. You don't like the truth. The truth is what you don't like. Maybe I should leave this reaction for you guys and continue my travel vlog. Because I don't understand too. Sometimes I sit down, I cry. You guys make me cry. I cry. Inside this room, I will cry. I will cry. Nobody is even here to wipe my tears. You guys don't know what somebody is going through. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I'm excited. I wish I can dance for you guys. I don't even know how to dance. I love you. Bye.